Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. Have you ever come across the "This site can't be reached" error message while visiting a website in your Chrome browser on Windows? This error is common, and it usually means your computer is having trouble connecting to the internet or to a specific website. The good news is, there are several simple steps you can try to fix it. Let's begin with one of the easiest solutions. Go to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the results. Now click on Network and Internet and then on Network and Sharing Center. Here, you will see your active network connection. Click on the name of the connection. A new window will open. Click on the Properties button. In the list that appears, look for Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck this option to disable it. Then click OK to save the changes. Close the window and try visiting the website again using your Chrome browser. This fix alone often solves the problem. If the error is still there, we will now use PowerShell to perform a few more fixes. Go to the search bar again, type PowerShell, then right-click on Windows PowerShell and choose Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the following command and press Enter. Clear DNS client cache. This command will flush the DNS cache. Sometimes DNS data can get outdated or corrupted, which stops websites from loading properly. Next, run this command, netint IP reset, press Enter. This will reset your IP settings to their default values. If asked to restart your computer, make a note and do that once you finish all the steps. Now let's change your DNS server to something more reliable. Go back to the Control Panel. Again, go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center, and click on your active network connection. Choose Properties and then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In the fields below, enter the following Preferred DNS Server, 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS Server, 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers and are often faster and more reliable than your default settings. Click OK to apply the changes. You can now close all the open windows and restart your browser. Try loading the same website again. If you are still facing issues, restart your Wi-Fi router. To do that, unplug the router from the power outlet, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once your internet connection is restored, check your browser again. Finally, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. If an update is available, it will install automatically.